John Anderson, my Joe John, when we were first acquaint, your looks were like the raven, your bonny brew was brand, but now your brew is belled, John, your locks are like the snow, but blessings on your frosty palm, John Anderson, my Joe. John Anderson, my Joe John, we climb the hill together, and mony a canty day, John, we've had wi' ane another. No, we maun totter doon, John, and hand in hand we'll go, and we'll sleep together at the foot. John Anderson, my Joe. Another late song by Burns from the 1790s, and possibly one of his most tender, dealing as it does with love over a lifetime and also the journey of life as well. Burns repurposed this song from several sources. The tune was a couple of centuries old at least and probably sacred in origin, and the words came from elsewhere, and really a mark of Burns' genius that he was able to reframe them in this most lovely light. I learned this song from my dear friend Alison. She sang it as part of the Goldling Medal competition in Dundee, and she won that year singing it, so very fond memories.